شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان.
Welcome Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, the month of blessing, the month when all evils are tied down by Allah, the month that charges our iman with so much rewards, the month of great opportunity for good deeds. From food and drinks we must abstain, from evil, bad and immoral behaviors we must abstain. The holy month of Ramadan in which the book of Allah Al-Quran was revealed. كما قال الله تعالى شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. Ramadan is the month in which was sent down the Quran as a guide to mankind, also a clear sign for guidance and judgment between right and wrong. And the month which consists of a blessed night in which angels descend, a night which is better than 1,000 months, a night that can change a life destiny, awaits Laylatul Qadr. كما قال الله تعالى Laylatul Qadr khairun min alfi shahr. Oh you people, use this opportunity, wake up in the night, the last 10 days in the Ramadan, go back to Allah, ask Him for forgiveness, and ask Him all your needs, and He will surely answer you. Indeed, Inna Allah sami'ud du'a, and also Inna Allah ghafurul wadud. كما قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم في حديثه من قام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر الله له ما تقدم من ذنبه. Whoever fasted in the month of Ramadan out of sincere faith and hoping a reward from Allah, then all his past sins will be forgiven. Oh brothers and sisters in Islam, use this opportunity to steadfast in your obligatory prayers. Invoke Allah all the time. Supplicate to Allah alone. Don't forget the needy and poor people around you. Feed the poor, give them what you can as much, so you can earn Allah blessing. Welcome Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.